Do you like comedy drama? Then you have come to the right place. American comedy dramas are very popular and successful among the youth. Today we are taking you on the Atypical Ride. Atypical Ride is an America based comedy drama TV series originally created for Netflix by Robia Rashid. The show has 4 seasons with 38 episodes in total. The audience is now waiting for the atypical season 5 release date. The first season of the show was released on 11 August 2017 with 8 episodes, and the second season was on air on 7 September 2018 with 10 episodes. On November 1, 2019, the third season was premiered on Netflix. Then recently today on 9 July 2021, the fourth season and maybe the last season was launched on Netflix. Atypical Season 1 has got positive reviews both from the audience and the critics. But some critics said that it has lack of autistic actors. The best part of the show was that the makers allowed autistic actors and writers in the second season to act and write in the show. All 3 seasons of the show got positive reviews, mostly and developed with positive and overwhelming responses. And you can now understand the popularity of the series. The fourth season has been released today, but what about season 5? Is it renewed or not? But worry not. In this video, you will get to know answers regarding Atypical Season 5. Atypical Season 4 has been recently streamed on 9 July 2021 on Netflix. This is one of the popular web shows on Netflix, but the fans would be disappointed by hearing this news that most probably Atypical Season 5 will not come. Yes, Netflix has not renewed the series till now. For the fourth season, Netflix has renewed the series in February 2020, but for Season 5, it has not renewed the show. There are very less chances that the series will return with the fifth season. No specific explanation has been given regarding this cancellation of Season 5. There are very less chances that the series will return with the fifth season. No specific explanation has been given regarding the cancellation of Season 5. The show was doing very great, but the makers cancelling the renewal of the show come as a shock to the audience. The fifth season was cancelled when it was renewed for its fourth season. No official confirmation regarding bringback of the show has been announced yet. Most likely the series will not come with Season 5 in the future. Maybe things will change in the future, but it is confirmed that the next season would not be streamed on Netflix. This is a totally different thing that Season 5 may be released on some other streaming platform, but now there is no official confirmation or announcement regarding the atypical Season 5 release date. Though the show has ended where every character is in a good place, fans do not want the show to end. They want more seasons for it, but we have to accept the fact that there will be no atypical Season 5. A typical web series story revolves around an 18-year-old boy, Sam Gardner, who was suffered from autism spectrum disorder. It is a neurodevelopmental disorder in which individual experiences some difficulty in social interaction. In season 1, Sam met with the therapist Julia, where he learned that people who have autism can be in a relationship and date. After knowing this, Sam began to search for a girl who he can date. In this, his friend and colleague Zahid motivated him. Later, he went on a date, but that was unsuccessful, and the other one with the woman who worked in the same company ended up badly by pushing her on the bed when she started touching him. Our typical Season 2 story revolves around the continuation of the story in Season 1, in which Sam was quite upset because it was the time when he usually met with Julia, who was his therapist, but now she is no longer the same. The story went to the flashback when Dodge, Sam's father, punched on the wall after knowing that Elsa had a relationship. In Season 2, we were also able to see that Sam left his house to live with his father. Also, Sam searched for a new therapist, but he did not like that therapist he met. In Season 3, Sam Gardner started his college and wanted to find out what success is for him, while treating all the problems and pressures of growing up. In this, you will see that Paige invited Sam to again start their relation whereas Casey struggled with the difficulty and upset feelings, and Elsa wanted to start a new relation and a normal life again with Dodge. In the end, Sam converted a rogue plan for Zahid into a last minute session. Till now, there is no information about the full story of Atypical Season 4, but according to some sources, the makers will see that Sam again started to stay with Zahid, but maybe this is all they don't want. Maybe there will be some discomforts in becoming roommates with friends. Maybe this season would focus on the relationship between Cassie and Izzy. And it will be exciting to see when Elsa and Dodd's married life was thrown into chaos. This season is most probably the last, so the makers will try to give you all the answers to the unanswered questions. As we are not sure about the release date of season 5, we even do not know whether season 5 would come or not. So this is difficult to say anything about the future cast, but we will inform you about all the cast and characters of the Atypical web series soon. The main characters of the series are Jennifer Jason Leigh played Elsa Gardner, Claire Gilchrist was seen as Sam Gardner, Brigitte seen as Cassie Gardner, and Michael Rappaport as Dodge Gardner. Some supporting actors and their characters are Nick Dodani as Zahid Raja, Amy Okuda as Julia Sasaki, Jenna Boyd as Peg Hardaway, Graham Rogers as Ivan Chapin, Christina Offrey as Charis, Rachel Redleaf as Beth Chapin, Ariella Barrer as Belly Bennett, and Anthony Jacques as Christopher. If you haven't watched the series yet, you can watch it on Netflix. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.